fucking loud, man. What the fuck is this? Fuck's sake, man. It's so loud, bro. I always wake up like so much earlier than I should be. I can show you my sleep. It's only 4 hours and 11 minutes. This suburb is like a fucking old, just wake up early suburb. On top of that, look, it's so bright. I need to get blackout blinds, but this noise is ridiculous, bro. If I close it, I never want to date a fucking teacher, man. Fuck that shit. Fucking piss me off. Fuck them. As much as like they're pretty good for society, whatever, but living next to a park, it pissed me the fuck off. It's like living next to a school, bro. Fuck this. Like, it's not what I signed up for. It's only like 9:38, man. Like, I really need another hour sleep for this shit, and now I'm dealing with this like every day. Fuck.